here to honor the prize winners and our worthy chief guest, Mr. Ram Nivas, IAS. He has arrived. So shortly he will be joining us. So I request all the audience to stand up as a moment, as a gesture of respect as soon as our worthy chief guest arrives. Today also, though it is a children's day, the day is dedicated. The kids are kids because of their parents. So at 6:30, we are going to have a special seminar on parenting. So all the dignitaries here, they are warmly invited for the art and how to solve them. Obviously, everybody in house nowadays must be feeling a generation gap. Sometimes the chief guest must be getting it ready for it. I could see his car, he's already arrived. I can see the hustle and bustle near the main gate. It's an indication that our chief guest is ready to join us any moment. Go around and see the building. So in the meantime, मैं चाहूंगी कि हमारे यहाँ हास्य कवि सम्मेलन हुआ था. छोटे छोटे नन्हे कवि आए थे जिन्होंने अपने बहुत सुंदर सुंदर कविताएं हमारे सामने प्रस्तुत करी थी. तो जब तक ये हमारे पास कुछ वक्त है, मैं चाहूंगी कि उनमें से एक कवि उदय, कैन वी हैव उदय? he is the first prize, he is the prize winner for this competition. तो ये अपनी कविता हमें सुनाएंगे जब तक हमारे सर हमसे अभी जब तक वो मिलते हैं.
परीक्षाएं विद्यार्थी जीवन का अहम हिस्सा है. ये परीक्षाएं क्या करूं, हर शब्द के स्पेलिंग सताते हैं मुझे. स्वप्न में भी कीट शैली नजर आते हैं मुझे. गणित के अतिरिक्त मुझे कुछ भाता नहीं, परंतु गुना करना मुझे आता नहीं. मेरी बाकी बची अकल को अलजेब्रा पी गया. 3 में से 6 गए तो क्या बाकी रह गया. नाशो इतिहास का सन के समुद्र बह गए. मर गए वह लोग, रोने के लिए हम रह गए.
वेलकम सर. So now our principal sir, he will hand over a bouquet to our chief guest. Can we have a big round of applause? Thank you. Thank you sir for coming. We were eagerly waiting for you. I'll invite Rajat and Praditi from class 6. They want to say a few words to our principal sir and to our chief guest.
Good evening. The Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Ram Nivas ji, administration. We are thankful to him for very kindly sparing time for us to bless the winners of various competitions held by us during the day. I would like to apprise the esteemed gathering that we have today. Organized the competitions including on-the-spot painting, PowerPoint presentation, Antakshari, declamation, etc. Besides organizing a children's fest, the children have taken part enthusiastically in the various events held today, and that was a befitting tribute to the memory of our late Prime Minister Chacha Nehru, in whose memory this day is celebrated.
I would take a few moments to inform our Honorable Chief Guest that our school has made big strides in the matters of education and various extracurricular activities during the small span of its existence on the account of sincere and determined efforts of our worthy principal to serve the cause of education in the best interest of children. At present, our school has classes up to 6 and the school is proposed to be upgraded to 8. I would request the Honorable Chief Guest to use his office to help in this endeavor of school, which is in the best interest of children and in the cause of education. We shall be highly indebted to him for his indulgence. Now, without taking any more of your valuable time, I thank you.
So I request our worthy chief guest to hear the plea which our kids have made from this platform. So give it a kind hearing. We expect this from you, sir. So now we'll have a Ganesh Vandana. It is said that if a beginning of a function is good and always starting is done by remembering Lord Ganesha. So can we have the Ganesh Vandana on stage, please?
Jai